Hello everyone, today we are diving into a common headache for many of us, dealing with a broken iPhone. It's something that can disrupt your day like little else. How many times has your phone stopped working right when you needed it most? We'd love to hear your worst experiences, share them with us in the comments below. But don't worry, whether it's a shattered screen from a sudden drop or a battery that won't charge, we have some practical solutions to help you decide the best course of action. iPhones are delicate devices and damage can occur for several reasons, whether it's from not using a protective case, dropping it, or just the usual wear and tear. Sometimes even with a case and screen protector, accidents happen. When they do, here are a few options you might consider. The first is repair, but there is a nuance here. It's not a given fact that the device will be repaired well for an adequate price, because they often ask for outrageous prices as if we were buying a new iPhone. And of course it will be a second-hand iPhone and it's not clear how long it will last. The second option for solving this problem is to sell your gadget for a reasonable price to a service that works with used and broken electronics. And finally, buying a new iPhone. I think the second option is more convenient. Today, we decided to introduce you to one of these companies. This is the GadgetPickup.com service. And how does the process of selling the device to online buyback companies work? Let us tell you that GadgetPickup.com offers a cool and easy process for assessing the model, specifications and condition of your gadget. On the website, you can take a survey about your gadget and answer questions so that the service can provide an instant quote. Once they receive the device, they will check it and let you know if everything is okay. After completing the assessment online, you will be provided with a free UPS/USPS shipping label for your device. Print it out, pack and ship the item you want to sell. Remember that the shipping label is valid for 14 days to ship the item at the best price. Items shipped after the 14-day period will be adjusted to reflect the prices offered on the date of receiving the item. Remember to pack your device carefully to avoid damage during transportation. The best way is to wrap the device evenly with the bubble wrap before placing it in the package. Drop off the package at your local UPS/USPS location and receive a shipping receipt. This minimizes any risks during transport. Once your device arrives at the facility, it will be inspected within 1 to 3 business days. Once the device has been inspected and accepted, you will be sent payment within 24 hours via bank transfer, check, PayPal or Zelle. If your offer is changed for any reason, you will have 3 days to respond to the adjusted offer email. If you're not satisfied, your device will be returned to you free of charge. Everything is quite simple and responsible. After comparing it with other similar services, we have drawn conclusions and compiled the main advantages of this company. So here they are. Quick online gadget valuation, a wide range of devices and companies they accept, convenient free delivery and payment, professional customer service and communication, high payouts, security of transactions, excellent customer reviews and certificates from major evaluation platforms such as Trustpilot, Google, Better Business Bureau, and some statistics. The service already has about 20,000 regular customers and about 50,000 purchased items, which is a pleasant surprise. The service also has the ability to buy devices in bulk, and you can sell them at least 20 gadgets at once. You will also receive a free shipping option, you will be in the priority of service, and of course, payment. Don't just take our word for it, check out some of the glowing reviews from customers on Google. And here is the first one. I did some research and found GadgetPickup. They gave me a price that was better than other places. I mailed them the phone with some skepticism, not knowing if they were really legit. I felt better when they acknowledged receipt of the phone, and within a few days they approved the price quote and sent a check. And it's nice to get some money back from my old phone. I highly recommend them. And here is the second one. The website was easy to navigate and the instructions were easy to follow. I was paid very quickly and I was paid much more than other similar services offered. So now we will leave you a link below to the video to this service that makes life easier. And we've come to the end of our review. I hope you've got some useful information on what to do with a broken iPhone. Remember that there are always options for solving any problem, and it's important to choose the one that's right for you. In the meantime, don't forget to take care of your gadgets to avoid similar situations in life. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like this video. Bye!